wish I had a choice. I just wish. I think it's time to bring the long-awaited change in my matrimony. And this is the time. This is the time.
What have I gotten myself into? Huh? In the first place, I never supported my wife to go to school. It was her parents that forced me to do this. All in the name of when she graduates from school, she will help me with some of those white-collar jobs. But I'm still surprised of the background where I heard the sound that was coming from yesterday. Considering the time, I think there is some difference between our house and our nightclub.
Oga, good afternoon. Oga, I said good afternoon.
My brother, I'm sorry.
I've been standing here for long. What's your problem?
I'm sorry for my silence. I was absent-minded.
In fact, I'm not buying again.
No, Oga, come, I'm ready to give you royal treatment.
Royal treatment. Continue thinking.
Mom, I will give you royal treatment.
It's like your thinking is more important to you than your business.
No, it's not that, my brother. Come.
I said I'm not buying again. What's your problem?
Please now, come. I will give you royal treatment.
Don't give me.
Come now, is it charger? I have brand new chargers. Bros, come. Business is going down. I'm losing customers. Hey. Oh.
That came back last night.
Which one?
My friend.
Wait, that one with that my gosh.
You know we get big dress when they always do.
Are you? Is something wrong there? Are you delusional? Huh? Where's she?
She there, sir.
Your crush? Are you okay? I don't even know how much this man gave me. Who is there? Who is there? I'm coming. What took you so long?
I was sleeping. Besides, I was naked, so just trying to put on my clothes.
Okay. Last night, Kubara took me out for shopping after our outing.
Wow.
So I wanted to know, why did you leave the club so early?
Nothing really. I was just tired, so I needed to just come and rest.
Oh, okay. Alright. Concerning what you asked me about what I did.
Yeah.
I'm into prostitution in Abuja.
Prostitution? No, but you told me you run boutique business and...
The boutique is just a camouflage. Well, okay. We have a clique. Group of girls. Once you get initiated into this clique, you will begin to command men, Stella. When I talk about men, I'm talking about men. Ndenko. Too much money men. They don't conyons. You get it? Now, in 2-3 months, you will be extremely rich. I want to introduce you to a man, a Nuego. He will take care of you. Just like Kubana is taking care of me. You see this house? The cars outside? Kubana did it all. He takes good care of me. So I want that for you. So tell me, are you in or out?
I don't know what is keeping Stella away from camp these days. I hope all is well with her. Let me call and confirm from her.
This one, Joy, is calling me. Hello? Joy, how far now?
I'm fine. Where are you? I with us. Some other camp members have been looking for you. I hope all is well with you.
My dear, all is well, oh. Just that I went to see one of my aunts that I just put to bed. And I will stay here for more days before I return back to camp.
Yeah, send my regards to her, yeah.
There's no problem. She will hear. Of course, I'll tell her. And please, Joy, please. And you know I'm not there. Just cover up for me. Whatever people are doing, cover up for me, please. I'll be back as soon as possible. You know it's my aunt now. I just need to help her, you know, do 1 or 2 things. Yes. See, I promise to buy you some stuff you will like once I come back. Trust me, you will like them.
Okay, I'll cover up for you. What are friends for? Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. At least this side is covered and settled. Good.
Like I said before, Stella here is my childhood friend. I've known her over 15 years. She really helped me in school. And seeing her condition after all these years, this is not pleasing. And the only way I can reciprocate her kind gestures is by introducing her to the unique ladies club. Please, ladies. Besides, she's been begging me to please plead with you, girl. Huh?
Please, Tina, just hold it there. What are you even saying? As the rule demands, we need to ask her some questions.
Exactly. Go ahead and ask your questions.
But Susan,
My name is Stella.
or whatever, you are a married woman. You have a child. So tell me, how will this work? Tell me.
Please answer the simple question, you married woman. We have talked about this before. Don't make her feel like this. I don't like it. So, what do you ladies say?
Well, accepted.
Good, that's my God. Thank you. Glow, baby. What'd you say?
Well, since you girls want her in our circle, who am I to say no?
Yeah. You don't have a choice.
That's it. You don't have a choice.
First of all, she has to change her local attire.
Yes, you need to repackage.
What's
like
this? Change your hair, change your shoes.
I don't get this.
And you have to speak very well.
Oh, I can't. I don't understand.
And you make a good hair, you know. It's all of that. You ladies are the real MVP. Oh, you can say that again. Cheers.
Thank you.
Yeah. Congrats.
Congratulations, my God.
Young lady.
Sir?
Huh? What did you say?
Sorry, wise one.
She's new amongst us. Forgive her. Sorry, wise one.
It's alright. Meanwhile, you're welcome to the shrine of life and death. This shrine you see is referred to as life and death because it has a tradition. The life aspect of this tradition is because I, Ogbuejiofo, will wash your mouth, your tongue, that whatever you will say, no man will say no. Whatever you request, nobody will turn you down. They must grant your request. I will also give you a sacred cream which we will apply all over your body after bath. Especially when you have a date with a man that could lead to sex. So you apply it all over your body, including your breast and even your private part. With this, no man could use you for any sort of ritual because you are automatically a ritualist. And with this, your money booms. You can make millions within a period of 1 month. Now, the death aspect of this shrine is that the substance I'll give to you, you should not let it touch ground. Because immediately it touches ground, something disastrous will happen to you. You see these young ladies? They all came like you sometime last year. And right now, they are potential millionaires. So very soon after this ritual, fortification ritual, you will join them. Now, let me tell you for the last time, after this fortification ritual, the first man you will meet, the money he will give to you, out of the bunch, bring 1,000 naira to this shrine. Do you hear that?
Yes. Yes, wise.
Now, are you ready for the task ahead?
Yes.
Step forward. Kneel down. Here it ends, sir. Here, Robert, can I? Nkete na mena nkete. Odo, you go. Welcome more. Now, this is the substance. Use it as you were directed. Remember, don't let it touch ground. Close it. Yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko, yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko, yokoko yama, yokoko yama. Yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko yama, yokoko yama.
All I know is that money is money, whichever way and manner it comes. NYC can wait. It can wait for now. And should Tony try to stop me to make Abuja my permanent base, then I'll forfeit the marriage. Or better still, it can wait for all I care. When they say answereth all things, I know if I make this money, people will bow to me. They will honor me, regardless that I am a woman.
You know, like I said,
if the federal government fails to recognize the importance of this gathering, I had already planned to make sure that I boycott the general supply and make it simply a private one.
Kuba.
Monkey cannot be walking while the baboon is jumping at you.
Let me even see this chart. Oh my word. I'm supposed to call this man. That's true. I'm supposed to call Kebana.
No, I thought about it, and I said to myself,
Who is calling me?
you don't have the number stored in your phone. Exactly. I've seen this number before.
PKT. It could be one of those numerous sugar.
He doesn't know.
Sugar babies, you know that.
Just answer the call.
You never can tell.
Because I know you.
No. Just excuse me. Let me
Hello?
Hello, sir. It's Stella. The lady you accosted the other night at the club and gave your complimentary card. Tina's friend.
Oh, ST. Wow, Stella, my baby. Oh, you finally called?
Yes, sir. I actually called to say thank you for the money you gave me the other day.
It's alright. So where are you?
I'm in my friend's place.
Oh, so it's okay. So are you done with what you're doing? Would you mind having probably lunch together? Do you mind? Somewhere, get some good food.
No, I do not have a problem with that. Just that I don't really know much place in this city.
Oh, no, don't worry about that. I will specifically type the address and then forward it as an SMS to your phone.
then you simply meet me up here. Before you even get there, I'll be there waiting for you. No, don't worry. I'll do that right away. So, we'll have a deal. Oh, good. Good. No. See, in case you get there and I'm not there before you, all you need to do is go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Eat whatever you want to eat. Drink whatever you want to drink.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Cuba. Cuba.
Only go one. The monetary confirmation of Africa.
Oh.
The number 1 richest man. Number 2. Number 3. And the number 5.
Cuba.
There we go. As someone says so. So that I can lick you. No, don't worry. Just give me 5 minutes and the address you hear. Could you come in your phone? That's what I said.
Bam.
One just more say so there. More say so there. Alright. I'll be with you soon, okay? Don't worry. This is the man they might call the money man. Cuba. No, don't mind. My friends.
I'm
becoming jealous.
Man,
Please, I'm going to be with you. I'll take it right. Yeah, alright. That's it.
You are lucky in everything.
So, but do you know you're not Rako?
But I know you.
You know, the moment this call came, the first thing that he said, pick it. You never can tell.
Could be.
You could be. And it was.
Do you know what I normally call you?
Whoa. But we'll consider.
The moment I noticed the way you were smiling, I knew that must be catch.
And he's able to too. Be careful with that before you
With the smiles on your face,
you know this guy?
You don't need to tell me.
This guy is an oracle.
You don't need to tell me.
You know, he said it could have been. This and that.
Yeah,
But I should pick up.
And
I indeed.
This and that.
Do you know the name we normally call it?
Pope.
The moment I noticed the smile on your face, I knew it. And it must be a new car. And you are about relocated to somewhere.
Immediately.
I know.
You know.
But
before I move, I will definitely digress with you what we have started.
Oh, cheers.
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 To good life, to everything, and to more licky.
Cuba.
I have made this thing as a principle that each and every member of this our group, by the year 2034,
wow.